Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing video of two iPhone chargers. So let's get opening. So we got Amaitree chargers. So this is the USB to lightning cable. This is an iPhone charger, which is really good. It's made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. And this one is also a USB to lightning cable. So the reason why I bought that, it's because I think my iPhone chargers are broken. So there we go. This is what's inside. So let's see. Okay, so the good thing about this one is that this is a fast charging mode. So this is a 2-pack. And so basically, look at this. Dang, look at that. Now, so what we're going to do here is we are going to test it out and see which one will work. So for this charger right over here, we're going to so these are the two chargers. This iPhone charger right here looks really old. It's kind of broken. So I could throw that away. And this one right here, we're going to plug this in. The only problem to that is that I don't have enough space. That's the problem. But I'm going to make sure to not ruin the charger. So anyways, so let's try it out. There we go. It works. So and this one is just basically the same. Yep. And so hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is just a product review. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you guys are new here. So if you're interested in getting this link, I'll have a link in the description box below, so you guys can definitely check it out. So this is two chargers, of course, and you can plug in with any device like iPhone, iPad, and iPod. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.